Okay. Call me crazy, but something tells me this guy's not planning on taking the exit. Pause. I kind of hope this guy's playing with his phone, because I don't want to believe that he stopped because of the wrong way signs on the other side of the road. A red light and two wide open lanes would make you think nobody's gonna block this intersection. Wrong. And now he wants to back up. Wow. This one's great. Anybody with half a brain and a driver's license knows that it's illegal to block the intersection. This guy does it with a cop sitting there waiting to make the turn. You can't make this up. But the cop is cool. What he does, instead of pulling the guy over and giving him a ticket, he jumps in front of him, cuts him off, makes him feel like an idiot. Although, the guy probably didn't even realize what he did and he thinks the cops are dead. Right here, we have a green turn arrow. Everybody knows those don't last very long. We also have two cars about 50 feet back from the intersection with no visible intent to go anywhere. Sometimes you gotta be their alarm clock. Oh well. See that car stopped in the middle of the lane with his hazard lights on? Soon as somebody tries to pass, now he wants to go. Coincidence or petty? You be the judge. I give people like this the benefit of the doubt and assume they're stupid and not that they're purposely trying to crash to file a fake lawsuit, but the result's the same. Slow drivers are the most dangerous thing out there. Be careful when you see one. If you're gonna go that slow, why not just walk? Be green about it at least, bruh. Look like you turned, but you're not. And they complain about us lane splitting. This guy's logic: don't wait till the lane is clear. Don't even bother to look. Just flip on your blinker after you already start merging, and the whole world will stop for you. I guess it makes sense if you think about it, because this guy is using the exit lane to jump in front of all the cars he was behind. Could you really expect any more than that? Somebody really needs to put a sign there, letting people know they're about to enter the express lane. Oh, they did? And it didn't work? Has anybody thought of maybe sending drivers a text when they get to that part of the highway? They're bound to see that. That gotta be the same guy from before driving his wife's car or something, because there is no way two people could be this stupid. Not possible. Even one I was doubting, but two? I'm sorry. I think when people stop at yellow lights like that, they're scamming. They're trying to get into an accident and get paid. Excuse me, sir. I understand you're not aware of this or anything else around you for that matter, but this lane is occupied. The first thing they teach you in offensive driving school is change lanes abruptly without warning. Make sure you do it right in front of somebody and then immediately hit your brakes. Okay, that was good, but next time follow through. Don't be afraid to hit somebody, you just blame them anyway. Here, watch, just like this.
Ay, Douglas Antonio.